my balcony. I come out here, of course, to catch the light and take pictures, but to kick it when it's nice out. So I'm about to put my robe on and get all set up so I can go ahead and take my little pictures. I want to take the pictures right here at the table, but I'm kind of scared that it's not going to be enough light. We'll see. I'm about to try to work it out. Crazy part. Okay. Now, I feel like I could have somebody take these pictures for me, but I'm back. I set up the camera. I'm about to push the button. Get in my seat. I'll probably just take a test shot first, just to see how it looks, and then I'll like get ready. Okay. Can you see? See, I like it, but I feel like the lighting could be a little brighter. And I'm kind of cutting off the top of my head, so I have to zoom out a little bit. Oh, that's cute. Ain't even read nothing. Oh yeah. I think I got everything. Well, I just want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'm about to go sit under the dryer for a little bit, take these rollers out, and then head to my second photo shoot for today. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.